70 words per minute. Please be ready. Start. Gentlemen, I have pleasure in taking part in the Gandhi birthday event. On this occasion, you have also asked me to open the new school that has been built in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. I wish to say that we can really feel proud that we are born in the country where Mahatma Gandhi was also born. We should remember that it is on account of the great sacrifices made by him and other leaders that we are today living with honor and respect as people of a free country. We should work hard not only to guard the hard won independence but also to move forward in all directions. Mahatma Gandhi desired us to lead a life of courage and devotion to the country. He taught us to live together irrespective of religion, language, or caste. After independence, our leaders who have been running the governments both at the center and in the states have taken a number of steps to improve the conditions of living of our people in all possible ways. I am glad that during the last few years our country has shown good improvement in all directions. Of course, we should remember that notwithstanding the improvement, there have been failures here and there for some reason or the other. I would therefore like each and every individual to consider how far he has done his assignment to the country. We must work truly and efficiently for the welfare and improvement of the individual as well as the nation as a whole. Educational institutions are our modern temples. The feeling of unity should be taught to the boys and girls right from the school days in all our schools. I wish your school to make every progress. Dear sirs, this is in reply to your inquiry of the 15th instant. I must first of all inform you that Mr. Raman has no longer any interest in the firm. Though the firm has changed hands, the range of items manufactured is no less than it was earlier. We deal with all kinds of household and electrical goods. There is nothing like the item that you require in our present catalog, and it would appear that this line was stopped long back. We could undertake the manufacture of a single item only if we get several weeks time, so that we could arrange for the necessary raw materials. Please let us know to make arrangements. Thanking you, yours faithfully.